How to save a document. To save a document, on the formatting toolbar, click on Save button or click on Save option under File menu. Steps to follow to save document. Start a new document in Word and type your text. Click File in the top left-hand corner of the screen. From menu options, choose Save As. By default, file will save in My Document folder. To save in another location, navigate to that folder and select the location. Type name of document and type of document as Word document. Then click on Save button. How to open an existing document? Under the File menu, click on Open option or Open icon on standard toolbar. Dialog box of Open will be displayed on screen. Then navigate to folder where the location of file is available. Select the file name and click on Open button. Formatting text. It refers to appearance or presentation of your text. It includes formatting font size or color, alignment, gap between paragraph, etc. There are two ways to select the portion of text. By using mouse, click and drag the insertion point from start to end of a sentence or word and apply formatting. Double-click on word to select a single word. Triple-click on paragraph to select paragraph. Press Ctrl plus click on sentence to select a sentence.